Imagine waking up and realizing your job has been replaced not by a person, but by an AI. Not just yours, but 99 others too, in less than 24 hours. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening behind closed doors in companies you use every day. From writing to customer service to coding, this AI doesn't just help humans, it replaces them. And here's how it's doing it. Meet Auto-GPT and Devin, AI agents designed not just to answer questions, but to act like employees. These bots don't wait for commands. They plan, prioritize, and execute tasks just like a human. Companies are using them to write emails, build entire websites, automate support, manage data, even make business decisions, all without a salary, vacation, or complaints. These AIs work 24/7, and they're only getting smarter. In the next 3 to 5 years, jobs that were once considered safe could vanish faster than expected. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. But this isn't just a threat, it's also the biggest opportunity of our time. Those who learn how to use AI won't be replaced, they'll be the ones in control. So the question is, will you be disrupted, or will you be the one doing the disrupting? Before you click away, tell me in the comments, do you think AI will create more jobs or destroy them? I'm reading every reply. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI wave, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video will show you exactly how to use AI to make money instead of losing it. Share this video with someone who thinks their job is safe, because they need to see this before it's too late.